Day 22, Donna Lee. Gonna see if I can keep up with Bird and Miles on this melody. Here we go. Doesn't get much better than that right there. These bebop melodies are amazing for language. If you're trying to learn bebop language, you can get this stuff right from the bebop melodies. There's a great sharp 11 line. Right, that sharp 11 line. I love that sharp 11 line. Great 2/5 language right there. That's like F7 for tenor, so E flat 7 concert. Doesn't get much better than that right there. And this language is going to help you understand the lineage of where everything's coming from. If you listen to some modern players today, Chris Potter, Roy Hargrove, rest in power, Nicholas Payton, John Ellis, Bob Reynolds, the list goes on. They all have language from this era. That's where they're grabbing from, and they've gone beyond that. Let's see if I can do it at 100% speed. Here we go. That's it. That's all I got today. Wow. All right. Wow. Push your limits every day in the practice room. That was really fun. Really trying to push myself to get to that speed. Barely hanging on, but that last take I was super stoked about, and it was pretty clean, I'd say. Have fun, push your limits. Don't forget to sing. If you're really diving into this music, really think about these melodies as information, as language that you're progressing over time. I will see you tomorrow. Later.